In this tutorial, I will show you how to set up and customize Cart2Buy for your online store. Let's start with the shipping section. Google Checkout supports 3 different shipping types. The first type is flat rate shipping. Google Checkout defines flat rate shipping options as options for which a change in the shipping address does not affect the shipping cost. Flat rate shipping options are a good solution for merchants who do not calculate shipping rates based on the total weight of the order or on the buyer's shipping address. The second type, carrier calculated shipping, enables Google to dynamically request rates from shipping carriers based on the total weight of all the items in the shopping cart. Google supports the carrier calculated shipping feature for 3 carriers: FedEx, UPS, and the U.S. Postal Service, USPS. Carrier calculated shipping is not supported for international shipping. The third type, merchant calculated shipping, allows you to wait until the buyer selects the shipping address before you determine the availability and cost of different shipping options for that order. This is useful if you have a complex formula for calculating your shipping costs. However, you cannot offer carrier calculated shipping methods and merchant calculated shipping methods for the same store. Cart2Buy will actually select the appropriate shipping type for you based on what you select in these 4 checkboxes. Check the first box if you know the weight of all items in your inventory. In that way, when a buyer places an order, the cumulative weight of all the items in the cart will be used to calculate the shipping cost. Check the second box if you want to automatically calculate the international shipping rate based on the total weight of the shopping cart items. Cart2Buy supports only USPS for international shipping, not FedEx or UPS. Also keep in mind that if this option is chosen, you will not be able to take advantage of carrier calculated shipping. If you did not select checkbox number 2, you can select this option to automatically calculate the domestic shipping rate from USPS, UPS, and FedEx. For any international shipping, you can use the flat rate shipping type. Check the fourth box if you want to send promotional coupons to your customers so that they can get a discount while shopping at your store. There are also many themes to choose from to match your site's look and feel. If you click the drop-down menu, you will find over 20 different themes that can be easily integrated. If you select a theme, you will get a preview of what it will look like. So if I select the black theme, you will see that the image automatically changes to fit my selection. This next section describes where your buyer will be redirected when they've reached the order verification page in Google Checkout, but then decide to change their order. When the buyer clicks the Edit Order link, he will be brought back to this URL. You can enter your Cart2Buy shoppingcart.aspx URL here. The Continue Shopping URL is where your buyer will be redirected when they are viewing their shopping cart and click the Continue Shopping link. Enter your product page link here so that the buyer can add new items to their shopping cart before checking out. Enter your Google Checkout Merchant ID here. This is displayed within the integration area of the Google Checkout control panel. Next, enter your Google Merchant key. This is also included in the integration area. For security reasons, only the last 4 digits will be shown. You can set up a Sandbox account and enter your Sandbox Merchant ID and key here instead, which is separate from a normal Google Checkout account. If you are using a normal Google Checkout account, check this production box. Keep it unchecked if you are using a Sandbox account. You can put the Cart2Buy shopping cart inside your own template. To do this, enter the path of the template here. If this template is in the same machine as the Cart2Buy system, you can put a relative path. Otherwise, enter the complete template URL. If you want to use Cart2Buy in a production environment, you will need to purchase Cart2Buy and enter the serial number you receive in this section. To use Cart2Buy in the Sandbox environment, you will not need a serial number. The merchant calculation URL identifies the URL to which Google Checkout should send merchant calculation callback requests for calculating various items such as taxes, coupons, or shipping of your callback1.aspx file, which is available in the Cart2Buy folder. This next section is self-explanatory. Just enter your full street address, city, state, and zip code of where your items will be shipped from. This address will be used to calculate automatic shipping rates. Next are your shipping details. To add a shipping method to your store, click the Add Shipping button. This checkbox will be enabled if you had the Allow Weight-Based International Shipping checkbox selected in the Shipping Options section. It will display different shipping USPS shipping names for international and domestic shipping. Once you click on this field, it will display the supported shipping companies such as UPS, FedEx, and USPS. You can select one of the radio buttons or just type your own. Once you click on this field, it will display the shipping methods available for the selected shipping company. Select one from the list. Enter a default price in this field for this shipping. If for some reason the automatic shipping rate calculation fails due to communication error, then this price will be used. Put a reasonable value for this. You can customize the default price by expanding the More Options panel as follows. Flat means that the shipping cost will be exactly what you put in the default price field, no matter how many items are in the shopping cart. Percent of total cost means that the shipping cost will be a certain percentage of the total cost of all the items in the shopping cart. So if the total cost is $100 and you put in 10 in the default price field, then the shipping cost for this method will be 10% of $100, or $10. If you choose per unit weight, then the shipping cost is the total weight of the shopping cart items multiplied by the number in the default price field. So if the total weight is 50 pounds and you put 2 in the default price field, then the shipping cost for this item would be 2 times 50, or $100. In the Filter Address section, you can allow or restrict a shipping method for a particular state or country or postbox address. To restrict shipping to a state, select Exclude Area from the Filter Type drop-down list. Select United States from the Country drop-down list, and then select the appropriate state from the Region or State drop-down list. Then click the Add Filter button to create the shipping filter based on your selection. You can delete a shipping method by clicking on the Delete link next to it. Click the Add Taxes button to charge tax on all orders from a particular state or from a certain zip code. If you want to add taxes on the shipping amount, select the Tax on Shipping checkbox. Add the tax rate and enter the zip code pattern to add taxes for that state zip code. Otherwise, you can leave this field blank and just select a state. In this way, taxes will be charged for all orders from this state location. You can also delete taxes by clicking the Delete button next to it. Click the Add Charges button to make additional charges for a specific shipping method. This can be used to create handling charges, for example. This button is invisible if no shipping method was added. Now to make an additional charge to a shipping, select a shipping method from the Available Shippings drop-down list, then enter a charge amount in the Charge text field. You can charge a flat amount or a percentage of the shipping cost by selecting the appropriate radio button. You can delete a charge by clicking on the Delete link next to the charge. If you want to create some promotional coupons, click the Add Coupon button. To create a coupon, enter a coupon code in this field and a discount amount in the discount field. This amount can be a flat amount or a percentage of the total cost based on your selection. You can delete a coupon by clicking the Delete link next to the coupon. You will be able to use your existing affiliate tracking tools for sales through Cart2Buy. You can include a pixel URL with parameters in the cart post and it will be included on the checkout thank you page. You'll also be able to include placeholders for dynamic variables that will be populated before calling the URL. To track an affiliate, click on the Add Affiliate button. Find out from your affiliate tracking provider where to post the purchasing info. Type that URL in the affiliate URL field. You will also need to send some parameters to this site. Find out what they are and enter each parameter name in the parameter field. Then, for each parameter, select the related field from the Mapped Parameters drop-down list. For more specific tutorials, please visit www.cart2buy.com/tutorials.aspx.